In this video, I'm going to walk through how to do keyword research using a free keyword tool from Google. Now, this is going to be important for your storage facility because by uncovering the keywords that people are searching for, you're going to be able to make a plan for exactly what you need to do to improve your rankings on Google. And if you stay till the end of the video, you're going to have a complete process for how you can uncover the keywords that are most popular in your market. So Google has a free tool called Keyword Planner. Now, you do need a Google Ads account, but you don't need to actively be spending money or running any ads. You just need to sign up for the account, and you don't need to launch any campaigns to get access to the tool. So once you sign up for a Google Ads account or log in, you'll land on this screen here. And then under Tools on the left menu, you'll see Keyword Planner. Now, this tool has a couple options. These first two are going to be the main ones that you use. So Discover Keywords is going to help you uncover keyword ideas. And then if you already know the keywords you want to target, this Get Search Volume and Forecast is a great tool because this is going to tell you how often those keywords are getting searched. It also gives some data on how much you would have to spend on Google Ads as well. So we'll start using the Discover New Keywords. All you need to do is type in storage and press enter, and then change the location to your market. So in this example, we'll do Austin, Texas. You'll see as I start searching, it's right here. And then I'm going to get rid of the US targeting. So now you'll see we're just focused on this city, and Google's going to filter the data here. You can also enter your website, which helps make the keywords more relevant. In this example, we'll do extra space just to put in a website here. So again, this will put in your own website here and then click Get Results. Now Google is going to tell us what are the most popular keywords, and it's also going to give us some additional data. So average monthly searches, if you hover over any metric, Google will explain what it means. This is basically how often each keyword is searched per month. And as you notice, we're filtering this data to just our market. And then we can start to scroll down and see the most popular keywords that people are searching. Now, what you'll typically notice is storage units, the near me keywords. Then there's words appended, like sometimes words relating to price or types of storage, like RV, car. Size is another thing you'll see. And quite a few variations here. So whatever features you offer, you might see keywords related to that, like climate control or mini storage or RV. So you can see all of those keywords here. Now, this trend line shows if the search volume, how often the keyword is getting searched, is going up or down over time. So you can actually see in this market, mini storage search volume is actually trending down. So less people are searching for this year than they were last year. But storage rental near me is actually increasing pretty fast. Now, this is great data for SEO because the keywords you want to target typically are going to be ones that have enough search volume. But if they're trending up, that's even better because the work you do today is going to help you for years or months in the future. Now, other metrics to note are this bid range. So this is only relevant for Google Ads, but you'll see approximately what each keyword would cost on the low end and then on the high end. And this is the price per click. Now, this range is interesting to look at even for SEO because if a keyword has a high cost per click, that's not always a bad thing. Sometimes on Google Ads it is if it's too expensive and the math doesn't work and you can't get profitable rentals. But for SEO, targeting these high cost per click keywords can work really well because you don't have to pay that price per click through your SEO. And when you target these ones, these keywords typically convert better than lower cost per click keywords and actually drive more rentals. Because the way Google Ads works, it's an auction. So the more people that want to spend on a keyword, the higher the price goes. And that's typically from actually getting rentals. Now, we'll go through Get Search Volume and Forecast. So in this scenario, you need to have the keywords identified already. So I have a list here of the keywords that I know are popular in most markets. So I'm going to copy and paste this right in. Typically, I would also add in city. So let's do that. We'll put in that keyword for Austin, and we'll do this one. And now when I click Get Started, Google's just going to take these keywords that I've identified, and then same thing. I need to change the market again to the one I'm focused on, and we'll close that out. And now we have the exact keywords that we've put in and those same metrics. Now, the final thing I like to do is I like to click on this and export this data and then move it into my template here. What this template does is all you need to do is take the search volume and those cost per click metrics that come right from this export, these metrics here, And this tool will actually run forecasts on how many clicks each keyword would drive on Google Ads, how much you could potentially spend, how many rentals you could get, and then what the cost per rental would be based on 4 different scenarios. So you could start to identify keywords that have a lower cost per rental. You could also start seeing a plan for how you can get your cost per rental down. And typically there's really 2 levers. It's your cost per click. If you get that lower, the ads get more efficient. And then your conversion rate. If you're able to increase your conversion rate when people get to your website, you could see how significantly that lowers your cost per rental. Just for this one keyword, it could be as expensive as $242 to get a rental, or it could go all the way down to $34 if you're able to optimize your ad copy, but also the actual landing page that people get to. So that's it for now. Try out this tool. This tool will give you all the keyword data you need. You don't need to pay for additional SEO tools to get this. You can use this free tool from Google and start uncovering all the keywords that are relevant for your market.